Do you want to be able to fix TikTok live option not showing even if you have 1K followers? Well, then you have come to the perfect video because actually, as you can see, I have more than 1K followers, but I used to have the exact same problem myself. I hit over 1K followers and the live option were not there for me, but I'm going to show you exactly how I actually was able to fix this because I'm going to click on the plus symbol in here, as you can see, and scroll all the way to the right. And as you can see, I do have this live button in here, but if you don't, then keep watching. What you need to do then is to come back to your profile right here. Now on your profile, then you're going to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. Now click on settings and privacy. And then you should be taken to this page, which is great. Now on this page, then what you're going to do is to just scroll down in here. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says report a problem. So click on report a problem. Just going to load here for us and perfect. Now what you're going to do is to scroll down, click on live, just going to load. Now, as you can see, we're going to now click on how to start the live. Just going to load. Now click on no in here, then click on need more help. And basically, I have already, oh, actually, before I had actually like reported this issue to them, and I was thinking that I will not be able to do this. Actually, it gave me an opportunity to report this issue again. So that is great. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to write now. So write like this. I am I am having issues with not being able to go live on my TikTok, even though I have 1K, or we can write 1000 followers. I need this to be fixed. So you need to basically write exactly like this now to their support. I'm having issues with not being able to go live on my TikTok even though I have 1000 followers. I need this to be fixed. Then of course also don't forget to click on submit, and when you have clicked on submit, then it will take about 24 to 48 hours for TikTok to see this, and hopefully after that this will be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.